Hello everyone, it's LeetCode 48 number problem, rotate image. It's a medium problem, and here we'll have a matrix, 2D square matrix, and we'll have to rotate it clockwise in 90 degree, and we're going to do it in a place which means we cannot use any extra array. So actually the best way is to do so is using matrix transpose and then flip it or mirror it or reverse it or reflect it, whatever you say. So how it's going to happen, you can see here that it's the given input, and here I have transpose it. Actually, what does it means? Here you can see that this cell come here and this cell swap over here, and also this cell swap over here and this cell goes there. Just to give you an idea, I have given some example, and after that I'm going to mirror it, which I mean is that I'm going to swap this cell with this cell, okay, and 2 with 8 and 3 with 9, and then we'll have the expected output. Okay, at first, actually, if we go to the code, at first we have to find the length as it's square, both sides is going to be n, and I have transposed the matrix here by taking the full length for I. It's going to be for the is column. Actually, in each row and for column I have actually specified it's going to be +1, and then the range within the range, and for reflect it's simple. And yeah, if we do these two things, it's going to rotate the matrix by 90 degree. Let's run this one and submit it. Thank you.